নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আজকে একটা ভীষণ সুন্দর কাতান বেনারসির এপিসোড করব। আজকের এপিসোড 185 এবং আজকের এপিসোড সমস্ত হ্যান্ড ওভেন পিওর হ্যান্ডলুম প্রোডাক্ট বেনারস থেকে এবং সমস্ত কিন্তু এক্সক্লুসিভ পিওর কাতান সিল্ক বেনারসি। সবার আগে এক নম্বর প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 1 in a pastel shade, beautiful color combination. It's a light brownish peach color, very unique color combination, peachish tone, but it has a tinge of a light fudge color with a red border, dudhe alta red border. It's a very unique color combination actually. Product number 1, 11,900, and the pallu and the blouse is also in the deep coral color. It's not red actually, it's a deep coral color. Product number 1, 11,900, and this is the blouse piece with this. The blouse piece is also in deep coral. Very pretty color combination with gold buta all over. This is the heaviest quality and the best quality Katan silk Banarasi. We do not compromise with the quality at all. There is no further quality of Katan. This is the best quality Katan silk. Very pretty, very beautiful color. Product number 1, and here comes the pallu part of it with all over gold buta. Product number 2, just keep on seeing the colors. I mean, watch till the end. Today's colors will be really exclusive, very uncommon color combinations, new weaves, new designs. So check out the video till the end. It's a dark green with a Rani color combination, because Katan is something that we usually wear during the wedding and formal occasion. So the colors we prefer are vibrant one, even though the pastel shades look equally beautiful. Those who like the elegant tones, the subdued hues, that has a different charm in itself, and also these kind of brighter shades, these also, you know, it has a different richness to it. 13,900. Product number 2, gold zari weave with a Rani color blouse piece. These are all Karwa weaves, hand woven, purely silk hand woven Katan, two-tone. So very difficult to say the exact color, because due to the light and the silk threads, the color different changes from tone to tone. But overall, it's a dark green color with Rani color combination. It's a very pretty color combination. So this comes to product number 2. Now coming to product number 3, this has an additional Meena weaving buttas all over the border. The color is hot pink. It's again a dual tone of peach and hot pink color with Meena pallu, Meena border, and gold zari buta yellow blouse piece with this. See, the prices and the details are mentioned in the description part. Take the screenshot where the number is mentioned and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided, not both, one of the number. What you do is, suppose we are not online and you make the payment, you keep messaging to both the numbers, then your booking will be cancelled. Please message in only one number, not both the numbers. 12,900 for this Katan silk Meena border, and here comes the blouse piece with it. This is the gold zari buta all over. Very pretty, all over woven. See the color, actually it's so unique color. The tone is very uncommon, very rich, these looks on wearing. Here I'm seeing it's hot pink, here I'm seeing it's in mustard golden yellow. I mean, it's a very different unique color combination. So whatever you're seeing, we are not filtering any of the colors. Whatever the showroom light, it's just the spotlights that we are using, no filtering. Just so whatever you are seeing, this is the exact color. I try my best to explain the color, but the whatever you are seeing, this is the actual color of the sari. It's a dual tone of pink and yellow color. This is the blouse piece, a golden yellow color blouse piece with Meena buta all over the border, throughout the border. Now I'll show you another Meena border. It's a light ash color tone with this red border. So here you can see closely the sari color prominently. I'm trying my best to show you as closely as possible so that you can make your decision, your right decision. This is the red border with Meena floral in between. The color is beige color. With red blouse piece. Beautiful red blouse, gold buta, gold zari border with Meena. And here is the sari. And see, I'm draping all the sari for you to see the fall, even though I'm opening the whole polished sari. So this is the whole look, and every sari I'm opening, it's checked and we receive the product. We do not, all our products are checked and we put it in our rack after checking. Again, during the packaging, we again recheck. So all the fresh stock will only go checked stock. 12,900 for this with red blouse piece. This is product number 3. That was product number 4. Now here comes product number 5. It's a sea green color with a hot pink border. Beautiful, another very gorgeous color combination. Like I said, today I'll be showing you very nice color combinations, all gorgeous, rich, bright color combinations. This is the sari color combination with the Meena in the pallu part also, along with the border part. See, throughout the sari, the whole Meena buta will, the Meena border will go along with the Meena buta. This is the blouse piece. Product number 5, 12,900 for this. Beautiful shade, very pretty. That was a darker biscuit beige color, and this is a little lighter shade. Even the buta is different. Buta is slightly different. So those who want a little different color tone, that has a floral border is different. Here you get a purple one. So there's difference in the color and the border design also. Nice chandan color, beige color with a red Meena border blouse piece, broad border. In the lower part, the upper part will have a sleeker border. Beautiful color combination, especially when you wear it with this gorgeous red blouse. It look really very different, especially when you're, for weddings, the mothers want to wear, or the mother-in-law, you want to gift your mother-in-law. It's a beautiful sari, 12,900 in pure Katan silk Banarasi. Production is slightly slow now because of the high increase in price which we are expecting very soon, so this is, we are really worried. The weavers are all, they've kind of limited their production. Meetings are regularly meetings, we are always on the meeting now for the, I don't know what will, at least 15 to 20% price will increase. Everything, resham, zari, silk, GST, everything is increasing in pure handloom product. See the color combination, lovely color in lime and rani with a very smart sleek border. It has zari buta throughout. This is the zari buta all over. It's a flowered zari buta with this very pretty gold border. My bangle is going very well with this. The pair of bangles 550 with stone work in this resham silk, twined with this is with stone work, 550 for this. It's going very well. When I kept it against this, looking pretty, I think. So this is product number 7, 11,900 only in pure Katan silk. We keep the minimum price. The price that I'm quoting you is a very competitive price, and for this pure Katan silks, this is the pallu and the border. Blouse piece I've already shown you. A monotone. See the colors that today. The colors are gorgeous and rich color. All bridal collection, gorgeous Katan silk Banarasi. Just check the border, the color. The border and the pallu color is slightly more darker orange than the body color with gold buta. See the richness of the weave. 11,900 only. Stunning color. Very pretty orange, and the blouse is also seems to be very gorgeous. The blouse is in red with buta. This is the blouse piece for this. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. We have the car park in front of us. Sundays we are closed. Monday to Saturday we are open every day from 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 p.m. at night. Costume jewelries, menswear collection are all available in the Cornfield Road branch. Tailoring department, if you want the blouses to be stitched or any other further services to be done, like suit stitching and all, we will do it for you. We'll after the payment, we'll transfer your number to the tailoring department, so you can have a word with them. And the payment is via GPay to the bank or Paytm or to the direct bank transfer. So once the payment is done, we will courier it to you in 3 working days. Please, after payment, send the screenshot of your payment, which is must. The screenshot of your payment is necessary. Once we receive the payment, your order is confirmed and we will courier it to you. And when you give your address, kindly give your full name, address and phone number along with the PIN code of the area. to avoid delay in shipment. This is a unique dark slate color with chandni zari in between the gold zari. Now what? See closely. Gold zari with silver zari mina. Silver zari in between the gold zari. It's a bi-color zari which is giving a very rich, different look of the sari. Product number 9 with a deep red beautiful border and blouse piece. And see the buttas also. The butta will also have the silver in between the gold zari. Another unique shade of purple and coral, a deep peach color with a purple color combination, very uncommon. To get this product, you need to take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp. Prior booking is needed for the YouTube program products, because since these are handloom products, all single pieces and no repetition of these products, we do not take orders of these. So keep watching our next episode. Please do like, share and subscribe to get further notifications of the next videos. Check out our WhatsApp status. Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, the link is provided where these will be uploaded, the still pictures, so you can have a look at them also. 7603042696, there you can check the WhatsApp status for reviews, for repetition of orders, or the collection that is in demand, or any new collection announcements are all done in the WhatsApp status. You can check out that. You can check out our reels. See the color combination of this beauty. Very Kanjivaram color combination, very pretty, but so looking so pretty with the gorgeous border weave. The border nakshi is so uncommon. প্রত্যেকটা শাড়ির না বুনুইয়ের উপর লুকটা ডিপেন্ড করে, বর্ডারের ডিজাইন, বুটার ডিজাইন, কালার কম্বিনেশন, দ্য ওভারঅল লুকটা পুরো ওগুলোর উপর অনেকটা ডিপেন্ড করে। তো এটা একটা ভীষণ সুন্দর দেখতে বুনুইটা, পাড়ের বুনুইটা বা বুনুইগুলো দেখুন। আর আমি ভীষণ স্ট্রেস করি বুনুইর বর্ডার, আমি প্রেফার করি অলওয়েজ মোর অফ intricate design rather than that straight line zari, dhala zari. I personally like these kind of, you know, nakshi weaves. I love nakshi weaves instead of the dhala zari borders. This nakshi weave is you know, takes more time to create, and it's done by very good artists only. Dhala zari is more of broad dhala zaris and all what they do, na, the plain ones, that's quite can be done by regular weavers also, but these kind of nakshi weaves need real skilled artists. 13,900 for this Rani color with tiny butta all over, and here comes a red blouse piece with this. What a beautiful weave. Once again the weave for you closely. Every detail I'm showing you, I'm explaining it to you. Be sure before you are buying, see the video properly. First come first serve basis. The announcement of the video upload time and the date is announced the previous day. So all these announcements you can check if you want the Kathan episode. Just type in the YouTube, go to the YouTube channel and then type Sanskriti Kolkata Kathan. Then you can check out all the Kathan episodes if you are wanting for sarees like for economical range. Then also you can check out the sarees of that. Even in our Facebook page there is an album sarees within 4,000. So you can check out that album and the dates are mentioned. So select from recent uploads, not the old ones. This is the blouse piece. It's a navy blue color with a dual color border, Rani and red color double border with all over small buttas throughout. Number 12, red rich BP. Now the mannequin is wearing a butter color kathan with small butta all over. 9,950 rupees, 9950 only. It's a very reasonably priced gorgeous kathan. This is the blouse piece, Rani color with the border. This is the blouse piece to go with it. Hot pink, Rani and butter color. It's a very uncommon color combination. Those who want to avoid the red border can go for this Rani color border. See the palla design. So beautiful palla design. The booties will be all over and see the booty in between the pleats. Very pretty sari, very pretty. These kind of designer blouse piece, ready-made blouses also we have, mirror work blouses. You can check out our album ready-made designer blouses for more options. These kind of blouses are available, Zardozi mirror work blouses, and the sari as I said has a very pretty Rani color blouse piece matching with this. The price I already said, it's a very reasonably ranged kathan silk, 9,950 rupees. Now I'll tell you something about my sari. I'm also wearing a Meena bordered kathan in peacock blue, deep peacock blue color, dual tone. Deep peacock blue, Meena border, both side Meena border. This is the blouse piece with it. Rani color blouse piece, both side Meena border. The sari price is 12,500. 12,500 for this hand woven deep peacock blue color kathan silk Meena Banarasi, deep peacock blue. And the neck piece that I am wearing is, see, it's a very uncommon magenta stone work with center temple jewelry, 4,300 rupees. 4,300 is for the neck piece, choker, actually rather I would say a choker, with this jhumka. See the stone setting, Rani color stone setting, jhumka, and this is, you know, even if you wear it a white shirt and just wear this choker with a, you know, little front open white shirt, looks really smart, this choker with western and also with formal westerns and also with these ethnic. Definitely this will go very well. For premium jewelry, 4,300 is for the choker, and the sari I have said 12,500. Now coming to more colors, a dark coffee color. Rani blouse, coffee gold Rani. See the color. Very rarely these colors come. 11,900 only, 11,900. Border, blouse piece. So this is 13, 14, smart checkered katan, totally woven in shades of the in color now purple. Navy blouse piece, like we are showing now, the navy blue blouse piece, navy blue pallu, navy blue border, the body magenta and purple checked with butta. So here is the sari. A very fashionable, a very smart looking yet traditional. Both sides will have a smart border, both sides same Nakshi border with gold butta and check weave. So check katan silk Banarasi with this pallu and contrast navy blouse piece, 12,500. Another very smart sleek check, see the check color combination, it's different, so I am showing you closely. Product number 15, and see the very sleek border, it's a very inch border, but that smartness will lie in the blouse because the sari is fully checked, very smart check katan, no zari in the body, nothing intricate broad border, it's a simple narrow zari border, 9,950 rupees, but it has a gorgeous rich pallu and blouse piece. So now you see how smart this will look on draping. You can use this fabric for a fitted full sleeve and wear a plain red body because there won't be fabric for a full sleeve blouse. So you can make the sleeves and the front of this material. The back you can give a plain red material, use piping in gold or whatever, and what a stunning smart look. Product number 15. So this is a check katan. Another, now I am coming to another, like I every time say, there is something or the other in Sanskriti Kolkata's YouTube episode of every product. Even though these are repeated product, katan I have done so many episodes, but this is another totally new design. No border, only satin patta, no border, borderless sari in pure silk golden katan with all over gorgeous butta, and yes, rich pallu and blouse. 11,900, big buttas all over, rich contrast pallu and fully woven gorgeous katan Banarasi brocade blouse, katan brocade blouse, pure katan brocade blouse piece with all over butta sari. So this is the sari. and the color is also a stunning shade of golden yellow. Inch border in red, satin patta woven. I'll show you the available colors in inch border in this borderless sarees. Borderless katan, this is a parrot green, light parrot green color with rich, I'll show you the pallu design. See the pallu weave. And the color, the blouse piece weave and the sari weave. And another smart thing of these borderless sarees are, it has two color zari, silver antique and gold. So two color zari buttas also you are getting in this. It's a very fashionable piece, very uncommon, very fashionable, and especially these neon colors, this bright yellow, bright canary yellow, and this neon green, parrot green. It's a very uncommon shade, very smart, very fashionable, bright, bold and beautiful. Red, again silver and gold, red and purple color combination. I would request you to kindly see the pallu weave. It's a very good looking pallu weave. Pallu design is paisley and it's had a very smart, very uncommon, very traditional weave in the pallu part. Of course, the buttas are equally pretty, big bold buttas in gold and silver. Blouse piece is brocade, of course, but I'm really awestruck seeing the pallu weave. So this is the sari for you. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also leave a comment if you like the products. You can message the pictures of you wearing our products. I'll be very happy. I love seeing the pictures. Sanskriti Srimurthy wearing our products and sharing your special moments of celebration in Sanskriti Creations. It really gives me immense pleasure. This is a very, again a different from away from red, a silver ash color pallu with gold zari weaving. So this ash color with this gold against ash, that's also a very rich look it's giving. And the body in this sea green color, two-tone, with this antique silver and gold zari butta. So overall it's a very, very uncommon piece. Here sari, pallu and blouse piece. All same price, 11,900, borderless katan. Blouse. See this shade, mauvish pink. Number 20. Today's episode is a fusion of bright, sober, rich, gorgeous neons and dusty. It's a fusion of mixture of all shades in this katan episode. 13,900, again gold zari border weave. A beautiful pastel shade, mauvish pink color. This is the border shade. See the difference in the color. These colors have a very different elegance to it. You can wear it for a long time, and even the day and during the evenings this really look nice, and against this gold jewelry will really look nice. Blouse piece is in a darker tone. This is the sari, this is the blouse piece. Okay, this is the blouse piece. In case you find you want me to show these products in any other way, you can always message me. You can always comment that if you think my presentation there is something I can improve in my presentation. Of course, I'll be looking forward to your suggestions. 12,500. 12,500. With this contrast Rani color blouse piece with buta, and the best part is the body is zari calligraphy woven, dark bottle green with Rani color combination, and calligraphy woven, script woven butas. Instead of the floral butas, we've given the script woven buta. Don't try to read it, you will not be able to do it. It's just a impression, but it's woven with zari. Very unusual. Bottle green Rani script woven zari, pure Katan silk Banarasi. I have two colors. I've shown you the bottle green. I have a burgundy in this also. Blouse piece in small butas, and here is the pallu. Here is the sari. Regularly we are getting stock. Regular stock is coming to both the branches. Regular stock, even for gifting during Tokto, to give during the wedding season. You want to have budget friendly saris. Loads of stock is available now. Please do visit both the branches for options. Or as I said, you can check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page, where there is the albums mentioned. So you can check out the linen Banarasi album, the party wear album, the menswear collection album for your choices. But the dates are mentioned. Kindly select from the recent uploads. Now this is another gorgeous sari. Now this is slightly expensive because of this self weave. This textured weave in the sari is slightly expensive. It takes a lot of time, so very limited collection we do in this, but it's a very smart piece. Maybe you may say there's no butan, only one side border, but it's just the concept of the sari. The upper part, I'll explain it to you properly. The upper part will have this inch satin contrast border in rustish orange. The body is in deep red, maroonish red. Product number 23, 12,900. It has this border which is absolutely very interestingly done. This is coming in the orange part and the rest is coming in the body part. And see the border design. First time I have shown you this design. very uncommon border design with red blouse piece, deep red blouse piece. It's a very, the whole sari concept is very uncommon. When you will wear it with your jewelry, it will really look stunning. Very big, mala. It's a very uncommon sari. Even the color combination is unique. Very pretty, isn't it? $24, yellow with black. Beautiful shade of yellow with jet black and a black kattan blouse piece. 11,900. This is the blouse piece. Can you imagine such a gorgeous combination, yellow and black in kattan. Pallu, and that too with gold zari buta. All very rich, bright colors, wedding season, and rich weaves, hand woven, pure handloom. See, see the shades, how uncommon these shades are. It's a cement color, kind of a color. Red, bright red blouse piece. Again a very different border weave. Very pretty woven pallu in gold and red. Body with lot of gold buttas. Border both sides, same border in red. $11,900. This is the same sari I am wearing in a different color. Meena border kattan. Meena border kattan. 12,500 with red blouse piece. Both side same Meena border kattan. Can you see the color? Color is also very uncommon color. Again, it's a different shade of a beige color. Number 26. See the border. This is our Indian heritage textile traditional weaves. Beautiful. We have such rich weaves in all the states. There's something gorgeous or the other. There's some some weaves which is their patent weaves, and all states are blessed with such different handicrafts, different textiles. Beautiful. Pista tone. Same, all same type that I am wearing, different colors I am showing you of the product that I am wearing. 12,500 Meena border, pure Katan silk with pallu and contrast blouse piece. Coral contrast blouse piece, pinkish fuchsia color blouse piece, and see the border weave. And the color also you can understand, this is the color. The last one, this is a slightly lighter shade than I am wearing. Mine is a darker peacock blue, this is a lighter shade. Same Rani blouse. Meena pallu and Meena border. This is the color. Once again, when you give the screenshot of the payment is necessary. After that, kindly when you are giving your address, please give your name, address, pin code, address with the pin code and phone number. That is very important. If it's domestic phone number. If it's international phone number, when you are putting in one format address. And just I've made the payment is not, it will not be considered paid. Please send the screenshot of your payment, because same amount, many people are paying the same amount. Like this is 11,900 Katan, so many people are paying. So in that way, we need the exact screenshot to check out our reference, the ID, the details, the date, the exact fraction of amount, because all proper GST invoice will be sent with the product. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Namaskar. Dekhte thakun.